Imagine a vast, snow-covered expanse. A lone wolf stands atop a ridge, its keen eyes scanning the frozen landscape. Its breath hangs in the frigid air, a testament to the raw power it embodies. Now, picture a team of huskies, their powerful legs propelling them through the same snowy expanse, their excited barks echoing through the silence. Both animals, descendants of a common ancestor, are masters of their respective domains. But what would happen if these two worlds collided? Could a domesticated dog, bred for centuries to work alongside humans, ever truly match the raw power of a wild predator? While the husky, with its unwavering loyalty and impressive stamina, might seem a worthy contender, the brutal reality is that a face-off between these two canids would be a stark mismatch. Centuries of evolution have shaped the wolf into a finely tuned hunting machine, honed by the unforgiving demands of the wild. This essay delves deep into the fascinating world of wolves and huskies, unraveling the intricate tapestry of their origins, physical prowess, intelligence, and social behavior to reveal the stark differences that separate them on the spectrum of survival. The wolf, an apex predator, has long been both revered and feared by humans. Its spine-tingling howl, a sound synonymous with the wild, speaks to an ancient connection to the natural world. Huskies, on the other hand, with their piercing blue or multicolored eyes and thick, luxurious coats, are often seen as the embodiment of canine nobility and strength. Their ability to thrive in harsh environments and their unwavering loyalty to their human companions make them invaluable partners in exploration and survival. Despite their outward differences, these two canids share a common ancestor, a fact evident in their striking physical similarities and shared behavioral traits. Both possess a deep-seated pack instinct, a complex communication system based on vocalizations and body language, and an inherent intelligence that allows them to adapt and thrive in diverse environments. However, the paths of the wolf and the husky diverged thousands of years ago, leading them down dramatically different evolutionary trajectories. The evolutionary journey of the wolf began over 1 million years ago, with the emergence of Canis lupus, the common ancestor of all modern-day wolves and dogs. Over millennia, wolves spread across vast territories, adapting to diverse environments from the frozen Arctic to the dense forests of Europe. Their ability to hunt large prey in coordinated packs, coupled with their remarkable endurance and adaptability, ensured their survival as apex predators. The story of the husky, however, is inextricably linked to the history of human civilization. Domesticated from wolves in Siberia over 35,000 years ago, huskies were bred for specific traits that made them ideal partners for Arctic people. Their thick coats, incredible stamina, and tolerance for extreme cold made them invaluable for transportation, hunting, and companionship in the unforgiving Arctic landscape. Centuries of selective breeding, driven by human needs, shaped the husky into the breed we know today, a far cry from its wild ancestor. Comparing the physical attributes of a wolf and a husky is like comparing a finely tuned sports car to a powerful all-terrain vehicle. Wolves, particularly the large subspecies like the northwestern wolf, can reach impressive sizes, with males weighing over 100 pounds and possessing a bite force of over 1,200 pounds per square inch. Their bodies are built for explosive power and speed, with long legs, deep chests, and powerful jaws designed to bring down large prey. Huskies, while undeniably strong and athletic, are generally smaller than their wild counterparts. Males typically weigh between 45 and 60 pounds, with females being slightly smaller. Their build, while powerful, prioritizes endurance over raw strength. Their deep chests accommodate large lung capacity for sustained running, and their thick coats provide insulation against the bitter cold. While their bite force is significantly less than that of a wolf, it is still formidable, a testament to their working heritage. When it comes to speed and agility, both wolves and huskies are masters of their respective domains. Wolves are capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour in short bursts and can maintain a trot of 5 miles per hour for hours on end, covering vast distances in pursuit of prey. Their agility and maneuverability allow them to navigate dense forests and uneven terrain with ease, making them formidable hunters in a variety of environments. Huskies, bred for endurance rather than outright speed, can maintain a steady pace of 9 miles per hour for hours on end, covering distances of up to 100 miles per day when pulling sleds. Their stamina and unwavering determination make them ideal for long-distance travel in challenging conditions. While they may not be as fast as wolves in a sprint, their endurance and ability to thrive in harsh environments are unmatched. Both wolves and huskies are highly intelligent animals, capable of problem-solving, learning complex tasks, and adapting to changing environments. However, their intelligence manifests in different ways, shaped by the demands of their respective lifestyles. Wolves, as social predators, display remarkable cooperative hunting strategies, using sophisticated communication and coordination to bring down prey much larger than themselves. They are also adept at problem-solving, using their intelligence to overcome obstacles and exploit opportunities in their environment. Huskies, on the other hand, excel at learning from humans and following commands. Their intelligence is geared towards cooperation and partnership, making them highly trainable and adaptable working dogs. Their ability to understand and respond to human cues, coupled with their problem-solving skills, makes them invaluable for tasks such as sledding, search and rescue, and even therapy work. The social structures of wolves and huskies are perhaps their most defining difference. Wolves live in highly structured packs, with a strict social hierarchy and clearly defined roles for each member. The pack is led by an alpha male and female, who maintain order and make decisions for the group. Communication within the pack is complex, relying on a combination of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Huskies, while retaining some pack instincts, have been bred for centuries to live and work alongside humans. They are highly social animals, craving attention and affection from their human companions. While they may exhibit some dominance behaviors within a household, they are generally eager to please and respond well to positive reinforcement training. Their loyalty and bond with humans are deeply ingrained, a testament to their long history of domestication. In a hypothetical showdown between a wolf and a husky, the outcome is almost certainly a foregone conclusion. The wolf, with its superior size, strength, speed, and predatory instincts, would hold a significant advantage. Its bite force alone would be enough to inflict fatal damage, and its experience in hunting and killing prey would make it a formidable opponent. However, it's important to remember that huskies are not defenseless creatures. Their thick coats offer some protection from bites, and their stamina and agility would allow them to evade attacks and potentially inflict some damage of their own. Furthermore, their intelligence and ability to work cooperatively could give them an edge in certain situations. Ultimately, while the husky's domesticated strengths are admirable, they are no match for the raw power of a wild predator. The wolf, shaped by centuries of evolution in the unforgiving crucible of the wild, reigns supreme in the realm of survival. However, this hypothetical showdown should not diminish the remarkable qualities of the husky. Their loyalty, intelligence, and unwavering spirit make them invaluable companions and a testament to the enduring bond between humans and the animal kingdom.